Welcome to Take a Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find malware on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. At first, open up your browser. Then on Google, search for File Hippo. Then just go to the first link. Then here, search for Malware Bytes. Just go to the second one. Then click on Download Free Version. Close the ad. Then save the download where you want to download it. And after it has been downloaded, just click on the file. You can minimize your browser at this point. Click on Yes. Just minimize your browser. Click on Install. Click on Personal. Click on Next. Click on Skip for now. And just wait till it gets installed. And after it has been installed, just click on Open Malware Bytes. Then you can just close this. Then click on Scan. And it will scan your PC and check for any malware. And after the scan has been completed, just close this. Then just quarantine all the viruses. And done, you're safe. And that is how to find malware on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.